Given line graph shows us about the annual green energy production growth between the year 2005 and 2015. The x-axis represents the year, that is ranging from 2005 to 2015, whereas the y-axis represents the green energy production in trillions of kilowatt, ranging from 1.5 to 5 trillion. In the year 2005, the green energy production was 1.5 trillion, which saw an increment up to 5 trillion in the year 2015. In conclusion, the green energy production was increasing.
The image illustrates annual green energy production growth. The key highlight of the image is the green energy production and the year. Basically, it shows information between 2005 to 2015. The highest figure is 5 and the lowest is 1. Furthermore, it gives information such as 2.5T and 3.0T. Moreover, it gives data such as 2010 and 2011. In conclusion, significant data about the annual green energy production growth from 2005 to 2015 is given in this picture.
This is a line graph which gives us information about annual clean energy products and the growth. The maximum number is 5, the minimum number is 1. There are some word in this bar graph which give us information about green energy production. There are some year in this line graph which give us information about 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010. There are some word in this picture such as the yellow, blue, white, green, orange. There are some highlighted color in this picture: yellow, blue, white, green, orange. Overall, it is very informative line graph which give us information about energy production growth.
The given line graph gives information on annual green energy production growth from 2015 to 2005. While the x-axis represents the years from 2005 to 2015, the y-axis represents the green energy production in terms of trillions of kilowatts per hour from 1.5 to 5. It is evident from the picture that the annual green energy production has seen an increasing trend from 2005 to 2015, with the lowest energy production in 2005, which stands at 1.5 trillions, whereas it was the highest in 2015, which stands at.
This image is mainly about annual green energy production growth. Firstly, the highest value of this image is 2015, 2014 and 2013. Secondly, the lowest value of this image is 1.5, 2.0 and 2.5. In addition, it also gives information about the graph like 1.5T, 1.8T, 2.1T, and it is also about 5.0T, 4.PT, 4.4T. Lastly, it shows different type of color like green, white and black. I think it is enough. Thank you so much.
This image is mainly about energy production. Firstly, it also about 5%, 4.5% and 4%. Secondly, it gives information about 3.5%, 3%, 2.5% and 2%. In addition, it gives information about 2005, 2006, 2007 and 2008. In addition, it gives information about 2009, 2010, 2011. Lastly, it shows the different types of color: red color, green color, blue color, highest and lowest value. The biggest element is the 5 and the smallest element is 2. I think it's enough. Thank you so much.
The line graph gives information of annual green energy production growth from year 2005 to 2015. The x-axis represents the year from year 2005 to 2015, whereas the y-axis represents green energy production tons of kilowatt from 1.5 to 5. In 2005, it was 1.5, whereas in 2015, it was up to 5 trillion. So the graph seems trending, increasing, and there is a green line representing the graph. Overall, the image gives information of annual green energy production rate.
This graph gives information about annual green energy production growth in year 2005 to 2015. Y-axis represent green energy production, x-axis represent year. In this graph, we see that 1.5 Tesla energy produced in 2005, and further if we see that in 2009 3.0 Tesla energy produced, and if we see in 2013 there is 4.4 Tesla energy produced, and in 2050 there is a higher production of energy which is about 5.0 Tesla. and the whole figure is very informative, which gives information about annual green energy production growth. The given image provides information about annual green energy production from 2005 to 2015. In the left hand side, the green energy production is in a million of ton, which is 1.5 to 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and 5. At the bottom, it is divided in between different type of year, which is starting from 2005 to 2015, which is continuously growing, and it is very informative image.
This figure gives the information about the annual green energy production growth from 2005 to 2015. In x-axis, it gives information about air, and in y-axis, it gives information about the green energy production in trillions. The line is shown in green color. Similarly, the highest number is 5 trillion, which is in 2015, and the lowest number is 1.5 trillion, which is in 2005. Similarly, in 2009 there is 3.0 trillion, and in 2010 there is 3.1 trillion. The line of the annual green energy production growth is in increasing trend.
The image given below shows the line graph, and it depicts the annual green energy production growth from 2005 to 2015. The x-axis shows the range of year from 2005 to 15, and then the y-axis shows the green energy production in trillions of kilowatts per hour. So the lowest is in 2005 and the highest is in 2015 with 5.0 trillion energy production. So overall there is a gradual increase in the energy production over the year. This graph overall shows the green energy production growth.
The following image shows the importance of annual green energy production growth from the year 2005 to 2015. It clearly shows that the highest number of annual green energy production growth goes up to 5 million tons in the year of 2015, and the lowest is 1.5 ton in the year of 2005. In conclusion, there is an increasing trend of annual green energy production growth in the year of 2005 to 2015, ranging from 1.5 ton to 5 ton.
The line graph gives information about annual green energy production growth from 2005 to 2015. From the picture we can see in 2010 the number of production is around 3.2 trillion, and in 2013 the production is around 4.4 trillion. According to the graph, the highest number is in 2015, which is around 5 trillion, and the lowest one is in 2005, which is just 1.5 trillion. To sum up, the picture tells about annual green energy production growth from 2005 to 2015.
The line chart shown here provides information about annual green energy production growth from year 2005 to 2015. The image consists of green energy production in trillions of kilowatt and the year from 2005 to 2015. First of all, to begin with, in 2005 the value is 1.5 trillion, which goes up in 2007, reached the point is 2.1 trillion. The maximum value is covered in 2015, that 5 trillion, and the minimum value is on 2006, that 1.8 trillion. To summarize the image outline, the annual green energy production.
Annual green production growth was the main topic of this line graph. The different percentage from 1.5 to 5.0 is present on the y-axis. The different year from 2005 to 2015 is present on the x-axis. During the year 2015, the maximum percentage is 5.0, and during the year 2005, it is lowest 1.5. That means the annual green energy from 2005 to 2015, it has been increased. To conclude, the annual green energy production growth was the main topic of this line graph.